Alright everyone, if you've ever wanted a tablet and you want something different, today we have the Bigme. So first, we are unboxing it. We got the cool little holder right here. And for the tablet. Simple unboxing. Our instruction manual, our tablet, the creator of InkNote AI Note. It's nice, small, and compact. This is really cool. And of course, we have our accessories right here. Our little accessories here. And it's not an unboxing without a USB-C. So, accessories, tablet, USB-C. Let's check this out. Alright, so now that we have it turned on, we're going to go ahead and set this up. This is touchscreen, so we can go ahead and select English right here. Then we have our policy information. Just go ahead and agree. And we click to initialize settings, so you can see the gesture settings right here. But if you can't, it simply looks like this. You have the multi-swing, back home, full refresh, none. Next, we go ahead and hit next step. And it's looking for Wi-Fi, so next we'll want to go ahead and connect our Wi-Fi, so I'll do that here. It'll prompt us for a password, so we just go ahead and ask for a password. It has our key. And we go ahead and connect. So we can see connected right here. And we go to next step. You can also skip this step. Then we have to do a registration. So we'll go ahead and register this. What we'll need is our email, our verification code, and our password. So it's really, really simple. Just come here, enter your email, then it will send you a verification code. So what you want to do is you want to get that verification code from your email. So it'll just pop up on your email on your phone, and then you'll want to enter a password, and you can go ahead and finish the registration. And then after that, you can scan the QR code, connect this user guide to your WhatsApp if you want, and you're all set up with the Bigme. Alright, so here we have the Bigme. It is 7 inches. This is beautiful. It's a phone tablet right here. And we can see exactly how it looks. So a little bit about this. So you're going to ask, what does it do? What's it all about? Well, it's 7 inches. There's zero glare here. There's zero. Like a lot of things I've taken a look at, there's glare or flicker. There's zero glare or flicker. It's absolutely crisp. We have SS Fast Refresh Tech right here. And we have complete communication. So you can make calls here. It supports SIM cards for 4G calling. You can stay connected anywhere with Android OS, Google Play. You even get your GPS apps working on this. Another thing is you can translate 37 languages, voice to text. You also have meeting recording, AI, and also powered Q&A. And we also have the wireless stylus for notes if we want to make any sketches and stuff like that. So here we can actually see this, see all the different stuff we can do. Some of the things that I particularly like, we can record meetings here. So you can see here, you can record, you can do them with Android, which is really, really cool. You can also see how this looks right here. And some of this stuff, the biggest thing I like is this is Android 14 OS, 8 gig of RAM, 128 gigabytes of storage. It's expandable to a terabyte as well. You can hold files, books, things like that. And this is all about the industry chain of e-ink screens, which is really, really cool. So we know the specs, 7 inches. You can see the resolution here, 1264 by 168. The camera has 50 million pixels, and this is awesome to just support and play with this. We can also play with the sound right here, and we even have the media. We can adjust it for calls. We can do all that type of stuff right here. And we can see here for notes if we want to do meeting recordings, or if we just want to play around, we can do office, task list. You have the Kindle right here, so of course you can read books. That's one of the coolest things right here. Just allow it, and welcome to Kindle. You get all your books right here. So who doesn't love a good read? You can see all the Kindle books right here. Very, very cool. You can search the Kindle. We can also connect it to Wi-Fi or Bluetooth right here. With data connections, we have the flashlight, which you can see right here. You can turn ringer off. You can also play with the contrast, darker, do it for lights out. You can do it for daytime, night. You can adjust it for all that type of stuff, which I think is absolutely cool. Then also we have the translator here. We have the photos. You can even play around with this. You get it for your calendar or scheduler, so you can know what's going. You can play music on this thing, which is amazing. We have music for Elsie. If you're a classic music fan, I think that's pretty cool. We got the Canon, got all that stuff. And you can see here this little panel on the right. We can go back, up or down, navigation, and of course you can make calls, so call all your friends. On top of that, we got photos. We even have a Play Store here, so yes, you can sync it to Google Play. Boom. And that's just a few of the things you can do. Plus, this is lightweight, looks great. I'm very impressed by the zero flicker thing. I think that's amazing. The contacts here, how easy this is to use. To me, this is a must-have. I know there's a lot of tablets out there. This to me is very, very cool. Not only that, but you can translate any language you want. You can scan documents even. Tell me one thing this can do that tablets can't do. And the color ePaper also has 4G calling as well. So for me, Bigme has the best in everything. They have self-developed X Clear Auto, and also their SS level for fast refresh technology makes them stand out from everybody else. Plus it's wireless, it's magnetic, and you get this really cool case with it. So tell me how awesome this is. And last but not least, we can see right here, if I go back, you can see everything here, the screensaver, the browser, the clock, all this stuff. The camera is really cool too. Now, I know this is going to be a little difficult to see, but we can go ahead and take this out. Right here. And we can see the camera right here. Look at that camera. Isn't that cool? And it does picture. It also does video, so I can record a video if I'd like. Right here. Absolutely amazing. So yes, that is why Bigme stands out from all the other tablets, in my opinion, and why this is cool with call recording to text. So if you're looking for the tablet this holiday, or just in general, Bigme stands out.